Built in 1895, the former Santa Fe Railroad Depot now houses the Wickenburg Chamber of Commerce. The depot was first saved and restored in 1987 for an initial $80,000 investment. Over 30 years later, a second phase of restoration was undertaken by the Roundup Foundation, a 501c3 under the management of the Wickenburg Chamber of Commerce and their executive director, Julia Macias Brooks. This second phase included asbestos removal in the attic, replacement of the roof tiles, support trusses, and insulation, as well as full restoration of the original baggage and warehouse areas. On the outside, the wood decking was replaced and an ADA lift and railing were added. The funding for this project came from the Wellick Foundation, Roundup Foundation, Arizona Public Service, Freeport McMoran, Town of Wickenburg, and the generous gift of many individuals. The depot's restoration honors the railroad's contribution to Wickenburg's history and provides a legacy destination for future generations of residents and visitors.